Hello, how are you doing? So let me show you how you can install Messenger Organizer. Let's just search in Google. This is the first link, Messenger Organizer. This is the Chrome Store live link. You can simply go on this link and add to Chrome and add extension. It will automatically install the Chrome extension for you of Messenger Organizer. You can also click on this little puzzle icon and just click on this pin icon to pin in your menu bar. So let me just log in. You can also remember the login. So right now the system is just syncing for the first time. Yeah, that's it. This is how the Messenger Organizer can easily install. Thank you.